When you first go to your settings, the first thing you see is your main picture for your profile page. We're going to change that first. Click Choose File and find a picture you would like for your profile picture. Click Open and you will be prompted to wait while it is uploading. When it's finished uploading, you can crop the photo by clicking and dragging on the edges. And once it's to your liking, you can go ahead and crop the photo and click Save on the bottom of the screen. You can change any information that you made when you first set up your profile. And then to save any of the changes that you make, you're going to have to scroll down to the bottom of the page and then click Save. Click on the Privacy tab. Here you can edit who can see the information on your profile page, as well as who can see any content that you have uploaded or created. You can also moderate on who is allowed to comment on any content you create, and if the comments on your blog or profile need to be approved by you before they are posted to the site. The last section on the Privacy tab deals with your latest activity on your profile page. You can choose what activities get posted to your profile under the Latest Activities box. Any private messages you send and pages you view are never posted to your Latest Activity box. Once again, to save the alterations you made, you click on the Save button on the bottom of the page. Now click on the Email tab. These settings show when the community website will email you notifications on various subjects. Any activity that occurs that is related to your profile or that is related to content you have created will cause the system to notify you by sending you an email. You can turn off any notifications that you do not want to receive by unchecking the checkbox next to the condition for an email being sent. Once the settings are to your liking, go ahead and click Save. Click on the next tab, My Page. Here, you can reset your profile to the default design and change the web address that links to your page. Now that you have the basic settings to your liking, let's look at the other links on the right-hand toolbar. Click on the Friends button. This will bring up a list of your friends that you have added on the network. You can click on the link that has your friend's name to get to his or her profile page. If you would like to add friends from your email contacts, click on Invite Friends on the top right. You can have the system log into your email client and find contacts automatically, or you can invite people manually by clicking on the last invite button that looks like a letter. On your Friends page, you can look for friends through the search bar on the top left. If you are looking for a specific person, you can also click on Advanced Search. Here in the Advanced Search, you can search people by their name, the organizations or projects that they're affiliated with, their sustainable living background, and how they learned about this network. Now that you can connect with friends, let's look at how to contact them by sending messages. Click on the Inbox button. You'll be brought to a page where you can see any messages you have received from other members. The system also keeps any messages that you have sent, and you can also archive important emails and find them in the Archive tab. If you would like to send a message, simply click Compose, and a dialog box will appear with a list of your friends. Check the ones that you would like to send the message to, then give a keyword summary of what the message is about in the subject box. In the main content box, you can add text, website links, photos, and videos to send to the recipients. To add a website link, click on the top left button labeled Link. This will bring you to a pop-up page that you can add link text and the link URL. The link text will disguise the URL in the form of a word. For example, I will type the word Sethink Media into the link text box, and then in the link URL, I will input sethink.com. Now that we have added a link, let's add a nice photo. Click the small tab with a picture in the text toolbox to add a photo. This guy right here. Here you can have the option to either upload a photo from your computer or by a URL. If you are uploading a photo, click Choose File and find a nice picture. Click Open and you will be prompted to wait while it is uploading. When you have said all that needs to be said, and perhaps a little bit more, go ahead and click on the Send button on the bottom and it will deliver the message to the recipients. To invite friends to the Global EcoVillage and Sustainable Community Network, click on the Invite tab on the navigation bar. Again, you can have the system log into your email client, or you can manually invite contacts using the rightmost icon. Once you feel comfortable with all of your settings, we can move on to customizing your profile page. To get to your page, click on My Sphere in the main navigation bar.